Welcome to Factory Automation Future, where we explore the incredible journey of industrial food processing and advanced engineering technology in action. Our journey begins right here in these expansive fields, where nature provides the raw materials for a sophisticated industrial transformation process. Each watermelon is grown to perfection, absorbing the sunlight and nutrients required to reach the optimal size and sweetness for processing. Experienced farmers carefully check the fruit, ensuring that only the best watermelons are selected to move forward to the factory stage. The harvesting process combines traditional manual labor with efficiency, as workers quickly detach the fruit from the vines with precise cuts. Teamwork is essential during the harvest, as workers form a human chain to load the heavy fruits onto the transport vehicles. Once loaded, these trucks begin their journey to the processing facility, carrying tons of fresh produce ready for the next step.
We arrive at the state-of-the-art processing facility, a hub of automation where raw agriculture meets advanced engineering and strict hygiene standards. The logistics are perfectly timed, ensuring that the fresh fruit is received and processed immediately to maintain its quality and flavor. Powerful hydraulic lifts tilt the entire truck container, using gravity to gently guide the massive volume of fruit into the system. The fruit plunges into a water reception pool, which acts as a cushion to prevent bruising while starting the cleaning process. Water currents gently push the floating watermelons forward, creating a continuous flow of materials entering the main processing lines of the factory. Roller conveyors lift the wet fruit from the reception pool, allowing excess water to drain away before the intensive cleaning begins. High-pressure jets blast away any remaining soil or debris, ensuring that the outer shell is perfectly clean before any cutting occurs. Rotating soft brushes gently scrub the surface, working in tandem with sanitizing solutions to eliminate bacteria and ensure food safety standards. Human oversight remains crucial at this stage, as trained workers spot and remove any damaged or unripe fruit from the line. Any fruit that does not meet the strict quality criteria is immediately removed to ensure the final product is absolutely perfect. Before entering the scanning section, the fruit passes through air knives that blow away moisture, preparing the surface for laser analysis. The synchronized movement of the conveyor system ensures a steady throughput, feeding the processing machines at an optimal and consistent rate. Optical sensors track the position of every single watermelon, coordinating the timing for the advanced machinery that lies further ahead. We now enter the high-tech scanning zone, where advanced lasers map the surface geometry and detect internal quality without touching. Sophisticated software creates a digital twin of each fruit, analyzing its density and sugar content to guarantee consistent sweetness and quality. Thermal imaging technology adds another layer of quality control, ensuring there are no internal defects hidden beneath the thick green rind. Based on the scan data, automated diverters sort the watermelons by size, sending them to specific cutting machines adjusted for their diameter. Precision grippers hold the fruit firmly in place, ensuring perfect alignment for the blades and maximizing the yield of usable flesh. Surgical-grade stainless steel blades slice through the tough rind in a split second, revealing the vibrant red flesh inside the fruit. The cut reveals the quality we expected, with rich color and texture that signifies freshness, ready for the pulp extraction phase. The halves are oriented correctly by the machine, positioning the flesh downwards to allow gravity and robotics to assist in extraction. Robotic scooping heads, designed to match the curvature of the fruit, rotate rapidly to extract the flesh without taking the bitter rind. The separation is efficient and clean, with the valuable fruit pulp dropping for processing, while the empty shells are discarded for compost. Nothing goes to waste in this facility, as the organic byproducts are collected and repurposed for agricultural use or animal feed. A continuous stream of fresh watermelon pulp flows through the factory, a vibrant display of color destined for juice and fruit cups. Initial crushers gently break down the larger chunks of fruit, preparing the mixture for the delicate process of removing the seeds. Vibrating screens utilize the difference in density between the seeds and the flesh to separate them without damaging the fruit structure. The seeds are efficiently filtered out, leaving behind only the pure, seedless pulp
that consumers prefer in their juice and snacks. Now completely seedless, the processed fruit is ready to be transformed into refreshing juice through a cold press extraction method. Cold press technology is used here to extract the juice, avoiding heat generation that could destroy vitamins and alter the natural taste. The result is a vibrant, nutrient-rich liquid that captures the essence of the fresh fruit, now flowing into holding tanks. Massive storage tanks hold the extracted juice, where gentle agitation ensures the texture and flavor remain consistent throughout the batch. Quality control monitors every parameter, from acidity to sugar levels, ensuring that every bottle tastes exactly as nature intended. Flash pasteurization rapidly heats and cools the juice, eliminating harmful bacteria while preserving the fresh flavor and nutritional value. Meanwhile, the packaging line prepares thousands of sterilized bottles, moving them into position for the high-speed filling process. Before filling, each bottle is purged with sterile air, ensuring a contaminant-free environment for the fresh watermelon juice. Precision nozzles fill each bottle to the exact milliliter, minimizing waste and ensuring customers get the full amount they paid for. High-speed cappers seal the freshness instantly, locking in the flavor and extending the shelf life of the natural product. Automated labelers apply the branding with perfect alignment, giving the product its final commercial look, ready for the retail shelves. Parallel to the juice line, another section of the factory is dedicated to producing fresh-cut watermelon cubes for convenient snacking. Whole peeled fruits are pushed through a grid of sharp blades, instantly transforming them into uniform, bite-sized cubes. The diced fruit falls onto a vibrating shaker table, which separates the pieces and filters out any small fragments or juice. The precision of the cutting technology ensures that every cube is perfect, maintaining the structural integrity and crunch of the fruit. Multi-head weighers calculate the exact combination of pieces needed to fill each container to the target weight with incredible speed. To maintain freshness, the oxygen in the container is replaced with a protective atmosphere before the package is sealed shut. Heat sealing technology creates an airtight barrier, protecting the fresh fruit from contamination and keeping it delicious for the consumer. Delta robots with vision systems identify and pick up the finished products, packing them into cartons with mesmerizing speed and accuracy. Once packed, the cartons are sealed and labeled with tracking codes, ensuring full traceability of the product from farm to table. Heavy-duty palletizing robots take over the heavy lifting, stacking the boxes in perfect geometric patterns for stable transportation. Automated guided vehicles transport the finished pallets to the cold storage area, navigating the factory floor without human intervention. The smart warehouse manages inventory automatically, storing the products at optimal temperatures until they are ready for distribution. Day and night, the facility operates continuously, dispatching fresh watermelon products to supermarkets and stores across the entire country. Ultimately, this complex industrial process serves one simple goal: bringing fresh, healthy, and delicious watermelon to families everywhere. The synergy between traditional farming and modern automation creates a sustainable model that maximizes yield and minimizes food waste effectively. Every gear, sensor, and robot in this facility represents the pinnacle of engineering, working in harmony to feed the world. Let's take a closer look at the washing technology again, where water recycling systems ensure that resources are used responsibly. Advanced filtration systems clean and recirculate the water used in the washing process, significantly reducing the environmental footprint of the factory. Regular maintenance by skilled technicians ensures that these complex machines operate at peak efficiency and safety year-round. Behind the heavy steel machinery lies a delicate nervous system of electronics and software that orchestrates every single movement. For specialized cuts, ultrasonic blades vibrate at high frequencies to slice through the fruit without applying pressure or causing damage. In the on-site laboratory, scientists conduct rigorous tests on every batch to ensure it meets international food safety standards. The final product is a testament to the care taken at every step, delivering the pure, refreshing taste of summer. Gravity is utilized wherever possible, such as in these spiral conveyors that gently lower products without using electricity. The logistics network is the final piece of the puzzle, ensuring fresh products reach store shelves within hours of production. From this single facility, products are distributed across a vast network, bringing the taste of quality watermelon to the world. Looking at the facility from above, we can appreciate the scale and complexity of this modern industrial marvel in operation. Sustainability is key, and the processing of waste rinds into fertilizer completes the cycle, returning nutrients back to the soil. This circular economy approach ensures that the farm remains fertile and productive for future generations of watermelon cultivation. As the sun sets on the fields, the factory continues to hum with activity, working tirelessly to process the daily harvest. The facility is designed for 24-hour operation, with automated systems that never sleep, ensuring maximum productivity and efficiency. Hygiene is paramount, and autonomous cleaning robots constantly patrol the floors to ensure a sterile environment for food processing. A central control room acts as the brain of the factory, where operators monitor every aspect of production on large screens. The engineering of the conveyor systems is a marvel in itself, guiding irregular natural shapes smoothly through the rigid machinery. Some specific product lines use automated lathes to peel the fruit, creating long ribbons of rind and perfectly smooth spheres. These perfectly peeled fruits are visually stunning, ready to be carved or sliced into premium products for high-end markets. Regular blade replacement is critical, as sharp tools ensure clean cuts that preserve the cell structure and juice of the fruit. Before filling, glass bottles undergo a rigorous hot water sterilization process to ensure they are completely free of any contaminants. Ultraviolet light is used to sterilize the caps just seconds before they seal the bottle, adding an extra layer of safety. Shrink sleeve technology allows for full-body labels that conform to the unique shape of the bottle, maximizing shelf appeal. Bundling robots group the individual bottles into convenient multi-packs, wrapping them securely for easy handling by retailers and consumers. Smart packaging allows consumers to scan a code and trace their juice back to the specific harvest date and field location. Whole watermelons are also stored in climate-controlled environments to extend their season, allowing the factory to operate for longer periods. Advanced logistics allow for the efficient storage of raw materials, ensuring a steady supply for the production lines every day. The loading dock is the heartbeat of the factory's exterior, a place of constant motion where raw materials arrive and products leave. Data analytics help managers optimize the flow of production, identifying bottlenecks and improving efficiency continuously over time. Even the seeds have value. They are collected, dried, and roasted to create a popular and nutritious snack in many cultures. Packaged in eco-friendly materials, these roasted seeds represent another revenue stream derived from what was once considered waste. For long-life products, aseptic carton packaging is used, allowing the juice to be stored without refrigeration for months. The carton forming and filling happens in a single sterile chamber, a marvel of packaging engineering that ensures safety and speed. Each carton is stamped with production codes, guaranteeing that consumers always know exactly how fresh their product really is. Soft-touch grippers are used by the packing robots to handle these delicate cartons without crushing or denting them. As a new day dawns, the factory stands ready to process another harvest, continuing its vital role in the food supply chain. Inside, the air quality is strictly managed with industrial filtration systems, keeping airborne contaminants away from the exposed fruit. Personnel hygiene is just as important as machine cleanliness, with strict protocols for everyone entering the production zones. Automated hand-washing stations ensure that every employee follows the exact sanitation procedures required for food handling safety. Imagine the journey of a single watermelon, traveling hundreds of meters through this complex maze of stainless steel and technology. To maintain consistent cutting quality, the machine blades are automatically sharpened at regular intervals without stopping the production line. Even the smallest scraps of meat are recovered and processed, ensuring that the facility maximizes the value of every fruit.
Between batches, the cleaning-in-place system flushes the pipes with high-temperature cleaning agents, sterilizing the entire internal network. This automated cleaning process eliminates the need for disassembly, saving time and ensuring a consistent standard of hygiene every time. Visual indicators and sensors confirm when the cleaning cycle is complete, giving the green light for the next production run. Innovation never stops here. We are even experimenting with laser engraving directly on the fruit for unique branding opportunities. The factory also serves as an educational hub, welcoming visitors to witness the fascinating intersection of agriculture and automation. Inspiring the next generation of engineers and farmers is part of the mission, showing them the future of food production. Management is constantly planning for the future, looking for ways to expand capacity and integrate even smarter technologies. Future plans include full solar integration and AI-driven decision-making, pushing the boundaries of what a smart factory can be. Renewable energy is already being adopted, with rooftop solar panels providing a significant portion of the facility's power needs. The commitment to sustainability extends to logistics, with a growing fleet of electric trucks reducing carbon emissions during transport. The factory is versatile enough to handle different watermelon varieties, including the sweet and vibrant yellow-fleshed melons seen here. These special varieties create unique products that stand out on the shelf, offering consumers new tastes and visual experiences. Innovation in flavor is constant, blending watermelon with other fruits, like passion fruit, to create exciting new beverage combinations. Advanced mixing technologies ensure these blends are perfectly balanced, delivering a complex flavor profile in every single sip. For premium markets, a dedicated section handles luxury packaging, combining the best fruit with elegant presentation for special occasions. Authenticity is guaranteed with security seals, assuring buyers that they are purchasing genuine, high-quality products from this renowned facility. Diversifying the product range, the factory also produces watermelon ice cream bars, a perfect frozen treat for hot summer days. Cryogenic freezing tunnels lock in the texture instantly, creating a creamy and smooth ice cream bar without large ice crystals. Robotic arms dip the frozen bars into rich chocolate, creating a delicious contrast between the crisp shell and fruity center. Foil wrapping preserves the frozen state and protects the delicate chocolate coating during storage and transport to retailers. The deep freeze warehouse requires specialized equipment and gear for workers, maintaining a constant sub-zero environment for frozen products. A separate fleet of freezer trucks handles the distribution of these frozen treats, maintaining the cold chain without interruption. As production shifts in, the cleaning crews move in, performing a deep clean to prepare the facility for tomorrow. Foam cleaning agents cover every surface, breaking down organic residue and sanitizing the equipment effectively overnight. Rinsing reveals the gleaming stainless steel underneath, a visual confirmation that the factory is ready for the next fresh cycle. For a brief moment, the factory falls silent, resting before the cycle of harvest and processing begins all over again. But the pause is short-lived. As the sun rises, a new fleet of trucks arrives, bringing fresh bounty from the fields. The drivers are an essential link in this chain, ensuring the steady flow of raw materials that keeps the factory running. The gates open, and the industrial symphony resumes, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to feed the world. From the initial wash to the final seal, every step is a choreographed dance of technology designed for perfection. The integration of robotics and logistics creates a seamless flow that maximizes efficiency and minimizes the time from farm to table. But ultimately, it is the joy of the consumer that drives this entire industry, bringing healthy nutrition to millions of people. This facility is just one part of a global network of food processing innovation that is transforming how we eat. As global demand for fresh, healthy produce grows, automation allows us to meet that need sustainably and affordably. The future belongs to those who innovate, and the bright minds working here are constantly pushing the boundaries of possibility. With a simple touch, they control forces that can process tons of fruit per hour, a power that was once unimaginable.
As we pull back, we see the factory not just as a building, but as a vital organ in our society. Surrounded by the very fields that feed it, the facility stands as a monument to the harmony between nature and industry. The future of food is bright, automated, and efficient, promising a world where quality nutrition is accessible to everyone, everywhere. We hope you have enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of watermelon processing and industrial automation technology. There is nothing quite like the taste of fresh fruit, and technology helps us preserve that magic for you to enjoy. It takes a partnership between the growers of the land and the builders of machines to make this all possible. From the soil to the shelf, every step is critical, every worker is essential, and every machine is a marvel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the factory automation future, where we reveal the secrets behind everyday products. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Factory Automation Future for more incredible insights into the world of industrial technology.